Hi, welcome to my another video. Today, I will help you choose the 5 best enclosed 3D printers on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, our Chidi Technology Imate's 3D printer. The Imate's 3D printer is intended to last and boasts an industrial-grade design. This printer is ready for whatever you throw at it with its sturdy construction. You do not have to worry since it comes pre-assembled right out of the box. You may use it right away. Because of the high quality of its printers, Chidi has established itself as one of the most popular 3D printer brands. Because it is an enclosed printer, the Imate's 3D printer has increased safety. The body is built in such a way that vented printing is possible. It is safe to use with polylactic acid and ABS. The results using ABS filament are fantastic. Furthermore, the Imate's 3D printer is an FDM printer. Because of this, you should expect high-quality outcomes. The Imate's 3D printer has exceptional results even when producing large-sized models. You get consistent printing and a smooth finish. The Imate's 3D printer has a smaller nozzle, improving print accuracy and speeding up the printing process. It prints slower than other 3D printers, giving your model more elegance. While printing, the Imate's 3D printer prioritizes the user experience. You can expect a seamless printing experience due to the machine's wide display and straightforward functioning. It has a primary mode and a more complex, expert level. Normal mode will be enough for newcomers. It will automatically configure the system parameters and guarantee that you put in the least amount of work to print your 3D model. On the other hand, the expert mode is intended for experts who are well-versed in 3D printing. It gives you absolute control over the machine. You may change any system parameter to make your model match your needs. Overall, the Chidi Imate's 3D printer is one of the best enclosed 3D printers available for a bulk of buyers. At number 2, Flashforge Adventurer 3 Lite FDM 3D printer. The Adventurer 3 Lite 3D printer works on fused deposition modeling. It is manufactured by Flashforge and is one of the most popular enclosed 3D printers from Flashforge. The Adventurer 3 Lite can print on different materials such as acrylonitrile-butadiene styrene, polylactic acid, and high-speed polylactic acid. You can even use it to print on a pearl. The print quality offered is superb. The outcome is usually clean and accurate. The models are distorted when the material does not stick to the printing surface. Otherwise, for the cost of the Adventurer 3 Lite, the outcomes are good. Adventurer 3 Lite's unique selling point is how simple it is to install and operate. It is one of the most user-friendly enclosed 3D printers on the market. Installing the printer is a piece of cake. Because the printer comes pre-installed, you do not have to do a lot manually. The demo print may be completed in 10 to 20 minutes, after which you can get going. Flashforge software is simple to grasp. The Adventurer 3 Lite is Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable compatible and can be connected to a PC via USB cable. Designed for professional use, the Adventurer 3 Lite produces reliable results even under high workloads. It is completely enclosed, which significantly reduces noise. The Adventurer 3 Lite has a few flaws. It is not feasible to use spools other than those included in the package. Spools smaller than roughly 7D, which is less than the usual size, are not supported by the printer. In addition, the given hotbed is relatively tiny. What makes the Flashforge Adventurer 3 Lite one of the best enclosed 3D printers is its affordability. You get an insane amount of features for a bargain. Thus, it is also one of the best budget enclosed printers available. At number 3, Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The print quality of the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is excellent. You get a high-quality model with incredible precision and accuracy. The prints are sharp and can match with professional-level 3D models if you tune the printer right. You can print small and large models with high precision with the correct settings. Usually, you need to put in a good half an hour or more to replace the nozzle on a regular 3D printer. Monoprice has included a quick change nozzle on the Voxel 3D printer that can be changed within seconds, without any external tool. Thus, it saves you precious time when you need to print quickly. You get a flexible printing plate that makes separating the model easy. This also ensures fine printing of the bottom layers. Since the plate is removable, you can easily replace it with another plate if the first one goes wrong or you want to print another model immediately. Installing the Voxel 3D printer is easy. The printer comes pre-assembled out of the box. You can start printing as soon as you provide power to your printer. You can alter the distance between the plate and the spout to change the maximum height of the model. The touch screen on the printer helps you perform such functions efficiently. Loading a new filament spool is easy as the printer loads the filament automatically. You just need to provide the filament in the filament loading port and hit Load Filament. Overall, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is one of the best budget enclosed 3D printers for kids, students, and beginners. It offers a lot of features for a low price. At number 4, Flashforge 3D Printer Creator Pro. Flashforge is a trusted name in the 3D printer market, and the Creator Pro does not disappoint in terms of print quality. It is an ideal large enclosed 3D printer. The prints are shiny with a decent amount of finishing. When it comes to printing smaller, more refined models, the printer struggles a bit. Since it is an old model, you cannot expect cutting-edge technology. The Creator Pro provides you with an option to print on many different materials. You can print on polypropylene, polyethylene terephthalate glycol, metal, thermoplastic elastomers, high-impact polystyrene, polylactic acid, ABS, polycarbonate, wood, and pearl. The enclosed chamber helps in protecting the ABS-based models. In terms of safety, the Creator Pro can be considered safe for kids because of its enclosed design and sturdy metal frame. The hotbed is flat, and there is no warping during the heating process. Also, you do not have to worry about the functioning of your printer because of the free email help that Flashforge provides. You also get a full manufacturer's warranty from Flashforge. The metal hotbed support and the 10 rod make sure that the Z-axis movements are accurate. This also prevents the deformation of the platform arm. Altogether, the Flashforge Creator Pro 3D printer is an ideal enclosed 3D printer for beginners and low-budget professionals. You get compatibility with a wide range of materials and the trust of Flashforge for a reasonable price. At number 5, Voxelab Aries FDM 3D printer manufactured by Voxelab. The Aries 3D printer works on fused deposition modeling. It is an industrial-grade printer meant for printing under a heavy workload. The unique selling point of the Aries 3D printer is its simplicity. You get a simple 3D printer that comes almost pre-assembled out of the box. Setting up the printer is a piece of cake. Just a few easy steps, and you will be ready to go. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi network, use the touchscreen to set the preferences quickly, and the printer will be ready to print your first model. The Aries FDM 3D printer provides excellent printing quality. You can print professional-level models with the optimum settings. Since it is an industrial-grade printer, the quality does not degrade much during a heavy workload. You get a fine quality print with smoothness even on the initial layers. A primary reason for the print quality is the even spreading of heat due to the carbon silicon crystal glass platform. It also provides strong adhesion to the model to not get warped. The alloy frame and dual rails ensure the stability of your model and extend the life of your machine. The Aries FDM 3D printer is optimized to deliver excellent results with better efficiency. The automatic filament loading feature enhances the printing experience. The printer stops printing as soon as the filament is over or detects any other issue. You can resume printing from where you left when the problem is solved. Overall, the Voxelab Aries FDM 3D printer is one of the best enclosed 3D printers. It has a large printing tray, excellent print quality, and responsive tech support.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.